10:42 p.m. May 9th, 2022. Got a little power outage here. Looks like it starts here from Asherman. This long street's Harrison. Come on. Power comes back on soon. People lose any of their perishable items in their freezers or fridges. I don't know how long it's been out, but something there. This street's on, but positive thoughts here for these people here to get their power put back on. They need their machines. Machines for the house, oxygen, and whatever. There's some horrific wind today. Outage is, but well, hats goes off to you, City Electrical team of Wakefield, Michigan. City of Wakefield. I know you guys are hitting it somewhere there. No more Arky Sparky, no more. He's retired. Bernarder. He's Florida bound. Just have an idea. T-minus maybe like 32 hours in surgery. Wow, I've been waiting a long time. I'd say 5 years, but, well, at least 2 years since the hip was done. The spirus, I thought I was in the clear. But things are in layers sometimes. You know, starts with the worst and then it changes. Steps. It's like a book. Turn the pages. Many memories here. Joe Crayantis with Candy. What's going to happen with that one? Well, that's about it here, folks. It's unedited. Hit that like, subscribe. Tell your hated neighbor. Check me out. Stay tuned for more live action.